So I'm making this video to prove that a bug currently exists with the Set Morph Target Node. It is a pretty big issue for people who do character customization, any type of character morph that needs to occur not on the inherited mesh, but on children of the inherited mesh. So I made this video to prove that this bug exists. Right here I have a brand new project. I just created a project in Unreal Engine 4.9, and I'm going to show you real quick the models and the morph targets so you can confirm that they are the exact same morph target name. So I'm going to open up the skeleton. As you can see here under the morph targets for the character's body, there is a morph called weight. And check the capitalization. It is capital W lowercase 8, and I can see that as I move this slider it changes the character's breast size and thigh size, and morphs the body to change the character's weight slightly. Now if I switch over to another model that will be made a child of this, the sports bra, you can see that as I scale this it is changing that morph. I'll zoom in here a little bit, change this down to a 2, and you can see as I move this it is changing a morph. There is a morph for this shirt. You can see that these shorts also have a morph called weight. Okay, so as I slide this weight, it changes to morph to fit the body. And you can see the capitalization is the same as W, capital W, lowercase 8. So this is perfect. In fact, these two models will morph together in all previous versions of the Unreal Engine. All of them. They all will morph together. In the Unreal Engine 4.9, I set up a character model to prove that this issue exists. I created the mesh inherited, and as you can see, this is the character's female body. That's the body model I showed a moment ago. And then I added to it the Ava sports bra and the Ava sports shorts. This is the shirt and the bottom that I modeled, and they also have a morph target called weight, which I proved here. There is a morph on all three of these models. There is a morph. These are children of the mesh inherited. Now in the event graph, I set up a morph target to set the morph target. You can see here that the mesh is the target. This is the inherited mesh. And I'm setting the value of weight to 1. So all of these should go like this when the game starts up. All right, so when I do event begin play, this morph should occur. This same setup in all previous versions of the Unreal Engine will work. Okay, there is no problem. This is how you do it. You set the morph target to the inherited mesh. It sends this same call to set the weight to the value of 1 to all of the children. This is how this function, the set morph node, works. This is how it has worked in every previous version of the Unreal Engine. So now watch what happens. When I start the game, the only thing that will morph is the body. The shirt and the undergarment will not morph. Every previous version of the Unreal Engine, they will morph, but in Unreal Engine 4.9, they do not morph. So here we are in game, and as you can see, the only thing that morphed was the body. It did not send the set morph target node to the children of the inherited mesh.